Hey guys, it's Tatiana and I'm on this whole like skincare journey, really trying to give my skin as much love, tender loving care as much as possible. And you know, we all get that built up dead skin. So I came across Peter Thomas's Raw pumpkin enzyme mask, and it says that it's like a 3-in-1 intensive skin resurfacer treatment, and it exfoliates with pumpkin enzyme peels, and it polishes your skin to reveal smoother, younger looking, radiant and revitalized skin. Now, doesn't that sound like a gem, like everything that we would ever want in one little tiny bottle? But let's see if it actually works, because I'm not familiar with Peter Thomas Roth, but I'm looking for anything that's going to resurface my skin. And off top, this definitely 100% smells like pumpkin, like a pumpkin pie. So this should be interesting. So let me wet my face a little bit. I'm gonna try this mask out, and hopefully I'll look 10 years younger once we're done with this. Okay, so let's give this mask a try. I'm gonna put on a thin layer, just in case my skin starts to get really reactive and want to break out, but it smells amazing. We can say that at least. It does feel like it's going to work immediately. The texture of it, it's pretty rough because it is supposed to be an exfoliant. I'm just gonna put it on this bottom part of my face and let's see what it does. It was rough, but the scent of it, it smells like the holidays. You know, it smells like pumpkin. So it smells like home a little bit. So it tingles a bit, but it's not uncomfortable. It's bearable, but it's definitely something that I would want to do just maybe once a week. This is not like an every night type of mask, but it's good to incorporate into your skincare routine once a week. And it says to only leave it on for 3 to 7 minutes, because that means that it's really goes to work pretty quickly. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit longer, but this feels really effective. And you know, it says it can help dull, aging and congested complexion, which is really great because my esthetician told me that I have what did she say, congested skin or something like that, or congested pores. So I'm hoping that this enzyme mask really helps clear out whatever has got me all congested in my skin. So now I'm ready to take this off. The tingling has been throughout the entire experience of the mask. So we did right under 5 minutes, and I think that's about good enough for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. My skin feels really fresh. My pores feel like they're really cleaned out, if that's any way to explain how I'm feeling. Like, I feel like this mask really went deep into my skin. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Yes. So this is very smooth. I do feel like it did resurface my skin. I wish you can feel it. It feels really smooth. Okay, so this is something that I would really recommend if you do have a lot of dull skin, you know, and it happens, you know, like every day, like we put our skin through a lot, especially when you wear makeup. And I really recommend this if you're looking to get rid of any of your dull skin, if you have congested pores, you just want to resurface. A good exfoliator, something that you don't need to use every single night. So again, I'm going to try using this once a week and definitely start seeing some results, because this instantly I can feel the difference. And I'm pretty sure when I wake up in the morning, my face is going to be glowing. I'm hoping. So again, you can pick up this Peter Thomas Roth pumpkin enzyme mask right here on Amazon, and it's a great size jar. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And again, once a week, incorporating this into your skincare routine, and I think you'll definitely start to see a difference. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.